Hello friends, this is Seher from Easy Peasy, and today we are going to discuss about Robert A. Millikan oil drop experiment. Now before that experiment, the scientists were confused about what is the exact charge of an electron. And this question was answered in 1909 by the scientist called as Robert A. Millikan. Now what he did was, he designed an incredibly precise experiment to measure the charge of one electron. Now what he did is that he took a box with two electrically charged plates, one is positive and one is negative. The positive one have a teeny tiny hole inside. Then he sprayed the oil inside the chamber. When the oil passes through this hole down towards the negative charge, he bombarded it with the X-rays. These X-rays produces or attach the electrons with the droplet of oil. Now oil droplet gets the negative charge, and we have a negative charge plate at the bottom. So now here two forces are applying. One is the gravitational force that is pulling this droplet towards the bottom of this chamber. And the second is the electrical force that is created by attaching the electron with the droplet. And it is upward because negative repels the negative charge. So he adjusted the experiment that the oil droplets should suspend in the middle of this chamber. When the droplets stop moving, that means that the electrical force applied on that droplet is equal to the gravitational force. By this way, we will get an equation. Here, Q is the charge of the droplet, E is the electrical field applied, M is the mass of the droplet, and G is the gravity. When Millikan put the values inside, he calculated the charge of electron. And that was that all the measured charges were multiple of one smallest value. And that is 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19. So that is basically the charge of one electron. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe this channel. Thank you. Bye for now.